Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use WhatsApp for business customer service. So let's get straight into the video. Firstly, you want to install the WhatsApp business application and make sure that you have created an account. Now, all you need to do is go to business tools, and there are a lot of things you can simply go ahead and create. So you can create a greeting message. You can turn that on and simply go ahead and write a custom message. So for example, thank you for contacting. Please let us know how we can help you. There's also another thing you can do, which is going to be away messages. So when you're not available, you can say we're unavailable right now, but we'll respond to you as soon as possible. The other thing you can do is simply go ahead and have quick replies as well. Right over here, when it comes to thanks, you can simply go ahead and have thank you for your business. We look forward to working with you. And you can add many more. It's the same thing. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.